Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting right away. First, verify the camera is mounted correctly and connected. Make sure no other app is grabbing the feed. In Google Meet, join a quick test call so you can see the issue live. Once you have the preview, click the 3 dots for Settings and select Video. This is where orientation controls live. If your camera has a hardware flip switch, use it now. Make sure to note the camera model name shown in Settings. You'll need it next. Once done with the preview, systematically try each camera option listed under Meet's video settings. Sometimes the wrong device is selected. If Meet doesn't offer rotation, open the webcam manufacturer app or any camera utility. Most include flip or rotate controls. On Windows, open Camera or the device driver settings. On Mac OS, use the vendor app or system report. Make sure to apply changes and return to Meet to confirm the image orientation, updated in the live preview. To finish, restart the browser and rejoin the meeting to ensure the rotation sticks. Clearing the cache can help. If the image remains inverted, update the webcam drivers or firmware and consider reinstalling the camera device in your OS. As a reliable fallback, install a virtual camera utility that can rotate or flip the feed before Meet sees it. If things still go wrong, reboot the machine and test in a different browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.